Instagram suspension is a common issue faced by content creators. Worse, it often happens for no reason, and restoring an account can be a confusing, and slow process. With that said, we have collected various reasons that lead to Instagram account being suspended, and I will teach you how to appeal against the suspension or deactivation of your account. Let's dive in. Instagram may suspend your account for several reasons, including 1. Violating community guidelines. Posting content that goes against Instagram's community guidelines, such as hate speech, harassment, or nudity. 2. Spamming. Engaging in spammy behavior such as mass following, unfollowing, excessive liking, or posting repetitive comments. 3. Fake accounts. Creating or using fake accounts to deceive or mislead others. 4. Copyright infringement. Sharing content that you don't have the right to use, such as copyrighted images or videos. 5. Security concerns. Suspicious account activity such as hacking attempts or unauthorized access. 6. Multiple violations. Repeatedly violating Instagram's terms of service or community guidelines. Now is a good time to see how to appeal against a suspended account. Log into your Instagram account. Then you will see the message that your account has been suspended. Then you will see a detailed explanation of what it means for the account to be suspended. What this means? Your account is not visible to people on Instagram at the moment and you cannot use. There are also instructions on what to do after the account is suspended, what you can do. You have 180 days left to appeal our decision. We may need to collect some info from you that'll help us review your account again, why this happened. It looks like you're using Paradiso to bypass restrictions on another account. This does not follow our terms of use. Click to read more about rules. Here you will see the details and the reason for your account being blocked. After reading the details, go back to the previous page. Touch the word appeal. By touching the word appeal directly, we are going to appeal so that the account is removed from the ban. You will be brought to a page that requires you to confirm if you are the owner of the account, to confirm it's you, to log in by entering the code below. Each person is given a different code depending on the system. After filling in the code, you will press the next section. They will ask you to fill in your SIM number that you opened the account with. Through that number, you will be sent a code that you will fill in on the next page. Before filling in the number, if you choose the country you are in for international codes, examples plus 255, plus 254, then you will touch it where it says Send Code. On this page, you will enter the code you used in the message through the number you entered and click Next. You will be informed that we're reviewing your info. It usually takes us around a day. We'll notify you when the review is finished. If we can confirm yours info, you'll be able to use Instagram again. If we can't, your account will be permanently disabled. If it happens that you have more than one account and all of them are suspended, then you will log the account that you have appealed in order to appeal to another account. Inconclusive. When Instagram suspends your Instagram account, don't panic. It happens to the best of us, and you may not have even done anything wrong. Just follow the fixes we recommended above, and you should be able to get back to your regular Instagram activity before long.